Hello folks, hope you're all doing great. In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Bitcoin on your Binance account. If you are new to Binance, I will put the link in the description, my referral link. You can create your account and the guide how to create an account. I have already created an account and I have some assets here. What I do is I just deposited like around 50 bucks Australian dollar to my account. What I do is I just want to go and buy some Bitcoin. I will put the link in the description for how to deposit money to your Binance account. It's very simple. Alright, so what you do is there are many ways. You can directly buy crypto, bank deposit, credit card, or P2P. What I do is I am using this Spot. It may look a little bit advanced, but it's just simple. A Bitcoin USDT, what I want is I want to buy Bitcoin Australian dollar. You can see these are the bits prices and these are the prices that's higher than the market price that people are trying to sell. You can have a limit order here or the market order. Limit order, you place a price here. When the market price hit that, then you will buy it. What I do is I buy it at the market price. And how much you want to buy Bitcoin? I have around 37 Australian dollar, 75% of my fiat currency. I want to buy that. What I do is I just simply click buy. This is the price. This is the current market price for Bitcoin. Simply click buy. Yeah, it's that simple. Just now go back to your dashboard. And here you can see that I have this much Ethereum, around 25 American dollar USD, Bitcoin, which I just bought it. Alright, that's all. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Every now and then I'm uploading some tutorials related to Binance, related to crypto trading and holdings. I'm sure you're gonna find my content extremely useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.